Hey, to turn on or off noise cancellation on the Sony WF-1000XM5, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can do this in the Sony headphones application by going for the sound, moving to the ambient sound control, clicking on this arrow, and then switch from ambient sound to the noise cancellation. Of course, you have to put both earbuds inside your ears, and after this, when the sensor actually detects that earbuds are inside, you will be able to do this. So as you can see, I just put it like this on the flat surface, and now I can actually change these modes. And the second way to turn on or off the noise cancellation, you will have to go for the system, then move for the touch sensor function, click on this settings icon, and now you can change it, for example, on the right earbud. So I can actually turn for the ambient sound control. And as you can see now on the right earbud, for the single tap, I can switch between the noise cancellation mode and the ambient mode. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.